So the creator program is finally coming into fruition. We're going to see it actually release on the 20th of Jan. The whole idea of the creator program comes from a drive to make sure that the people that selflessly go out and build stuff and share it with the community can actually keep doing that sustainably, because we know they love building and sharing things with no code. And this is an opportunity for them to keep doing that and make sure that nothing gets in the way of that. So the creator program is essentially a monetization functionality that works a lot like how YouTube lets you monetize the videos that you put out. The more unique users that come to your assets on Atomic Fusion, the more you will get paid out. Of course, monetized assets will go through a bit of an approval process. So to start monetizing as a creator, you first need to create an account with Atomic Fusion, of course, and then go ahead and install the Chrome extension. Once you have the Chrome extension, you'll have the ability to actually upload assets into your Atomic Fusion account and share them with the world. So go ahead, upload your first asset. Make sure that you've set up the metadata, the thumbnail, the descriptions, the readmes, all of that stuff to a point where it takes your asset's quality score to over 40. Once you have an asset that's got a quality score of 40 or more, you're automatically going to get an email from us that says, hey, you're now eligible for the creator program. Why don't you apply for it? So once you get this email, you can go ahead, go to your profile page, apply for the creator program. We take in a few details, mostly about your identity, your background, your bank details, things like that. Once you submit all that, we will go through a bit of an approval process with your information, make sure what you say is true, and then we will accept you into the creator program. Once you're in, all you need to do to start monetizing assets is to click on the asset menu on any of your assets over a quality score of 40 and hit add to creator program. Once it's added to the creator program, that asset comes back to us for approval, and once we approve it, it will be monetized. So when I say it's monetized, it means that every time a new unique user comes to that asset and uses it, copy paste it into their app from the Atomic Fusion extension, that will count towards your payout. So to maximize your payouts, you should A, get as many unique users as possible to your assets, B, have a lot of good, effective assets that people really want to use, and C, make sure that you share what you build with the world through social media and other platforms or communities that you're in. And you can go to our resources section, join the newsletter, or join the Slack group to make sure that you have everything you need in terms of resources, ideas, and tips to maximize your creator program monetization. All the best.